to Daulton Physical Therapy. I'm Daulton, owner and physical therapist, here to continue our education on self-release techniques. And today we're going to feature the foam roller. We use these a lot in our clinics. It is also one of my favorite tools, along with the miracle ball that we showed you previously. You can see in the foam roller layout that I have right here, there's various sizes. There's also different densities of the foam roller, and I'm going to give you a little idea of why we would use certain ones. These shorter ones are great for travel. First of all, this one's a little smaller, easy to pack in a suitcase. And this one, being a little bit shorter as well, is great for targeting areas like the back of the legs, the hamstrings, or maybe the calves. You can even use it on the back or the area between the shoulder blades. These three are longer and they can target a broader area of the body and a lot more variety of exercises. The three different ones we have here vary in density. This first one, or the blue foam roller, is very soft. We use this a lot for people beginning foam rolling, possibly those that have a lot of bone pain. Our fibromyalgia patients love these. They're a great place to start when you're just starting out with foam rolling. But eventually, and most of the time initially, when we're ready to train on the foam roller, we start with our gray, or we call it the silver foam roller. It has a little softer density, but it's pretty indestructible. And again, most people can tolerate this pretty well. If you're going to any of the gyms or the Y in the area, you'll find a lot of the black foam rollers. Black foam rollers are pretty indestructible, but they are very dense and oftentimes a little bit too dense for starting out, and can be quite painful if you have never tried foam rolling before. And then lastly, we have a half foam roller down the road. In the next couple videos, I'm going to show you some exercises, and we'll include some exercises on the half roller where there is no rolling action taking place, so it's a little bit more stable for those who struggle with balance. So stay tuned. I want to also let you know we have an upcoming stretch and release workshop. You can go to our website and get more information on that, and I hope to see you there. You can learn a lot more techniques there as well as in our upcoming videos. Thank you.